since I did a video on this thing. This is on the weekly chart. Came down here, made this double bottom. Alright, and it's failed to break up back up through this resistance level up here. About 60, it called 64 bucks. Okay. It had a high today, 63.32, and a low of 62.17. We're up 13 cents on the day at 62.84. All right, we're going to look at this chart here and see what's going on here. Okay, first off, let's go into the 4 hour. Okay, and pull up this RSI. We got the 4 hour RSI. It's actually a 69 and a 71. It has flipped bearish. Okay, the 8 hour. The 8 hours bullish at a 75 and a 63. Okay, I got something big here to show you here shortly. The 12 hour, same story. The daily is at a 75 and a 62. Okay, but this weekly, this is the big one right here. Okay, I got something to show you. If you pay attention to, and this is big. All right, you got this price and you have a lower price. Okay. Down here on the bottom on the RSI, you have this price and you have that low and you have a higher low. Okay, so you have this low and a lower low. You have this low and a higher low. That's bullish divergence on the weekly. Okay, the weekly is bullish at a 33 and a 31. All right, so that is very good news for PayPal, and usually these things end up playing out, especially bullish divergences and bearish divergence. They both usually play out. All right, so this thing needs to break that $64 mark, get back in this pattern. Okay, and then a possible breakout of that other side would let's see here, you know, we give this thing a pretty good blast back up towards $100. All right, but that divergence on that weekly, that is huge. Okay, you got this low, you got a higher low, you got this low, and you got a lower low in price. Okay, just barely, but you got that wick down, which is a lower low. It doesn't matter if they were equal, you still got the higher low down here. So that is bullish divergence on the weekly, which is massive. Where's our monthly at? Monthly's at a 64 and a 70. Still riding the bottom down here. Look at this on the regular RSI. It's been down at right around 30 or 35 since what, March, February. Just riding down here, not doing nothing. You know, of course, price action pretty much rolled right over too, didn't it? Ever since what, about the same time, October 2021, this thing just plummeted right down. You know, you got to be, regardless of anything, you know, price just doesn't, you know, price goes up and down. Okay, so I'd definitely be watching for a move out of this thing, especially with that weekly bullish divergence. All right, I believe this thing is bottomed out for now for sure. You know, people out there kind of heckling me in the comments here, thinking it's going to go a lot lower, but it grabbed that bottom and it's held. All right, so we'll see if that weekly divergence ends up playing out for anything. We do have a green candle on that weekly, and we'll see if we can bust up in here. Watch for that $64 to break. That's going to be the first sign, and if we can get that to break, then we got a lot bigger things coming, I believe, especially with this weekly just turning up. I'm just trying to move this down here. There we go. That's where I want it. Okay, that's the area we need to break first. Especially with this thing, if it gets back in this pattern and breaks out the other side, then this thing's got a massive move coming. So keep an eye on PayPal. All right, this double bottom came in. That's very bullish as long as it holds that, which it's been. And that bullish divergence could turn out being huge. All right, guys, thank you very much. Talk to you soon.